What's going on, guys? It's Luke here. We had two trades today. We had a break even on longs, and then we had a nice win here on shorts. Executions right here. There's the break even winning trade. Coming into the day today, what was I leaning? I was leaning much more bullish. Why? We had new week opening gap high above, and we're just overall bullish. Like, you look on the 4 hour, we're bullish. You look on the 1 hour, we're bullish, right? So I was expecting price to kind of flush higher off market open, and then I was going to be looking for like a continuation type of play. So I was using this 30-minute gap as a condition right here. We did have this 30-minute bullish gap. I said if price respects it, I want to see higher. And if we trade through it, then only then would I be looking for lower. So basically, market opens up and we initially get manipulation to the upside. We leave a 930 wick. We come down. I wanted to take this long right here, but again, this 1 minute inversion, we didn't get it. And then we closed up here. We end up getting a dump down, consolidate, and then we end up getting this remanipulation. Again, we're still respecting this 30-minute gap. And at this point, we get this 1 minute inversion. We get a strong close on it. So I take this trade. I think this is a great trade. We're delivering off a 30-minute gap. We are, so we swept some sell side right here. We get a nice 1 minute inversion. I keep my stop a bit lower. I probably should have moved my stop up, but I run it there, break even here. And then I was targeting up towards the 930 wick just because I felt that ES was going to continue to pull higher towards that new week opening gap high, but it didn't end up doing that. Usually on Mondays, I do like to go for smaller moves. But I thought this was an exception because I thought ES was going to pull higher towards that new week opening gap high. And I thought it would at least pull us to these highs right here where I could take a partial. But it is what it is. We do get break even there right at 10 a.m. pretty much. The 10 a.m. candle just opens up and stops us break even. But it is what it is. From there, price ends up trading down. We actually start breaking below. And I didn't see any shorts I wanted up here. But finally here we get this 3 minute continuation. So as you can see right here, price comes back. We get a retrace into this 3 minute gap. And at this point, we have sell side. We have this low. Was it this low still? Yeah. We have this low right here. And then we have London. So basically, price retraces into this 3 minute gap. At this point, I'm looking for a continuation lower, or I'm kind of treating it as a condition where if we displace through it, and I will look for longs to take out kind of this low resistance liquidity leading towards the 930 wick. But if we respect it, I'm looking for shorts to these lows, because we have relative equal lows right here, as you can see right here, and then we have London low. So basically, price taps into that 3 minute gap. I'm looking for an entry confirmation. There's no 1 minute inversion. I think we had a 30-second, but I just see this 1 minute bearish close. I'm like confident that price is just going to dump from here, at least get me to break even. So I enter there, stops above, 25-point stop. I go break even as soon as we cross these lows right here. And I didn't even have a chance to really even set my TP. I was trying to set my TP around London. Didn't get a chance, and I had to manually close, so I ended up getting exited around 629, but almost caught the bottom. I think I just missed out on like 10 points from London, but it is what it is. That's fine with me. So again, coming into the day, leaning bullish, 4 hours bullish, 1 hour's bullish. We have new week opening gap high above. Market opens up at market open, leaves that 930 wick. I want to see price trade back towards it. We manipulate down, 1 minute inversion to the upside, which is my entry. Stops below, break even here, and then we get break even because I was targeting that 930 wick, hoping that ES would pull higher to the new week opening gap. From there, price is trading lower. We have draws lower. We have relative equal lows and London low. We get a retrace into that 3 minute gap. We get a nice displacing 1 minute bearish candle. Shorts there, break even here, and then we get exited around 629. So that's it from you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. We'll be back at it tomorrow. Great start to the week, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.